Today we'll try to understand how we align text values in Google Sheet, either be a text value or any values that are available in your Google Sheet. It could be a number value, it could be an alphanumeric value, or it could be a date. Anything can be aligned in a particular way so that it looks good while you're presenting it. Let me take the previous text that we have. I've increased the row height with a purpose. I've increased the column height with a column width with a purpose so that you can see the effect of the alignment option that we'll be talking about from format option. Now, alignment can be done from format, alignment, left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. We'll check all this alignment. Apart from this menu bar, which we are checking from format, alignment, we have all these options available on the formatting bar, which is in terms of left aligned, center aligned, right aligned. Same way, we'll see here top aligned, middle aligned, and bottom aligned. We'll check each of these options. So let's check it one by one. Go to format, alignment. We'll first align it to the center. You can see our text has got aligned to center. Keep a watch on this particular cell which I have marked in yellow. So you understand where this text is moving as we aligned it. So I say format, left align, so it will move to left, for which the keyboard shortcut is Control Shift L. You can see the text has moved to the left. I say format, alignment, bring it to center. It has come to center. Format, alignment, go to right. So it has moved to the right of the cell. Again, next option in alignment is whether to move it to the top of the cell, middle of the cell, or bottom. So if I click on top, you can see the text has moved to the upper border of the cell. If I say format, alignment, come to middle, so it has come to the middle of this particular cell. Again, if I say bottom, it will come down again. Now we can use the permutation combination of both of this horizontal vertical alignments, or your top and bottom alignment, vertical alignments you can see, and these are horizontal alignments. So if I want my text to be in the center of the cell, what I can do is go to format, alignment. I'll keep my vertical alignment in center. Yes, so it has come in the center of the cell. Now I want it to be vertically aligned in the center as well. So I'll say format, alignment, middle. You can see this particular text or value of the cell has come just in the middle of this. However, I move this, increase or decrease the cell height or the row height, it moves it accordingly. The same thing can be done from this formatting bar. So I can move it to the left, I can move it to the right, I can again center align it, I can move it to the top, I can move it to the bottom, and I can middle align it. Now I did it only for cell just to show how the effects takes place. You can just select multiple rows or multiple values and have your values middle aligned, center aligned, and middle aligned. So you can do it for multiple values as well. So this is how you make your text look good by placing it right in the cell so that those are properly seen to a particular customer or the person who is trying to check out your records. The thumb rule for any kind of revenue is keeping it right aligned. For any kind of text like name or address has to be left aligned. For any kind of count or quantity has to be middle aligned. So these are some of the thumb rules you can follow while preparing your data.